Welcome to AseaGlobal.com. The official home of Asea claims to offer cutting-edge redox signaling technology that supposedly helps your cells communicate better and boosts your overall health. Because apparently, your cells are currently suffering from a dropped signal and need a premium data plan to function. But the real question is this platform actually legit or just another MLM fairy tale wrapped in scientific-sounding jargon? Let's break it down step by step, starting with the product itself. At its core, the main supplement feels suspiciously like extremely expensive salt water marketed as a cellular breakthrough. Even after more than 11 years in business, the company hasn't shared any solid, product-specific studies from reputable international research universities. They mention plenty of big words, but nothing verifiable, which makes the science here feel more like science fiction. The second major concern is the pricing, and honestly, it's hard to ignore the audacity. They are charging around $52 per liter for their redox supplement. For that price, I'd expect the water to not only signal my cells, but also drive me to work in the morning. Whether you buy bottles or pouches, the price stays unusually high, especially when there's no real scientific proof showing genuine biological benefits. Their other supplements, like the mind, mood, and energy lines, all make vague promises without any disclosed research. It's essentially a high-priced mystery box for your metabolism. The third concern is the compensation plan, which leans heavily on monthly personal volume requirements and building binary team volume. In simple terms, promoters end up buying products every month just to stay active in the system. This is a classic, outdated MLM structure that encourages inventory loading, a practice the FTC has already cracked down on in companies like Herbalife. If you're your own best customer, you're not a mogul. You're just a guy with a garage full of overpriced water. Furthermore, the retail viability is questionable because the company encourages promoters to buy at wholesale and resell. However, if most sales are coming from the distributors themselves rather than actual external customers, regulators don't consider that true retail. When earnings depend more on recruitment than genuine product demand, you're looking at a giant red flag. The ranking structure is the fifth headache, featuring 17 different ranks that require massive weekly group volume to maintain. You also need multiple Director 300 legs, which means you'll be stuck in a cycle of constant recruiting just to keep your head above water. For most people, this kind of structure is unrealistic and nearly impossible to climb unless you started at the top a decade ago. Finally, there is a distinct lack of transparency regarding capsule counts and actual scientific backing. The marketing looks clean and polished, but the information behind it is as thin as the excuses for their pricing. So, is AseaGlobal.com legit? Based on these concerns, the site shows many classic MLM warning signs: overpriced products, unverified health claims, and a compensation plan that prioritizes recruitment over actual sales. It's less of a wellness company and more of a social experiment in how much people will pay for salted hydration. All of this makes the platform look risky, questionable, and far from a truly credible wellness company. Thanks for watching till the end. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews and updates.